parts for the Mini. Let's get this open, see what's in it. That would be one new dizzy cap and rotor that hasn't been changed in years. Now it's always a good idea to come out and compare them and make sure that you got the right thing, and in this case we did, so happy out. Time to undo this, pull that out and move it out of the way, so then I can get this off, take all the leads off. What I'm going to do is mark them 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I'm going to mark on here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I can take the leads out completely, give them a clean down, make sure that all the contacts are good in them, change the spark plugs and put on the new dizzy cap and the new rotor, bolt everything back up. Also need to give the brakes another bleed just because they're still a bit spongy. I'm not happy, but other than that, new cap, new rotor and other bits on the way.
A few moments later.
Ooh, car parts. We have parts. Let's get this open. Oop. What's that? Nope. Not for me. For me. I got myself a little GoPro holder for the roll cage in the Mini because I will be getting a GoPro for Japan. Got myself a new fuel filter and a new fuel pump made in the best of China. Nope. Nope. Yep. Let's get this all open. Now this is the little holder for it. It's actually really nice. Nice billet piece, and it's red anodized, so that's going to go on the boot bulkhead, and then this is supposed to be good for 250 brake horsepower, which the Mini doesn't have near. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this in the car, hearing how loud it is and getting some fuel, because the other one that's in it is starting to make noise. It's in it a really long time, so I think it was time to like upgrade, but not upgrade. These are handy, but these I'm not going to use. I have my own and I'm using thicker wires for the fuel pump, so no thanks. Yes please, yes please, yes please. I'm going to get these in the Mini tomorrow because it's night time and I'm not going to do this when it's dark out. So yeah, looking forward to getting this in, getting holes drilled with. I'll put some riv nuts in to hold that in nice and tight and proper. Get some new wiring all hooked up to this and loom tape it, make it look nice and neat, tidy up the boot a bit. And we also have our new fuel filter to go with that as well. This is going to look decent in there as well. This is going to be literally beside it in the boot, so I might wrap this just so it looks a bit better. Yeah, nice and tidy. Hopefully get these in tomorrow. Change this as well, the dizzy cap and rotor, and I'm going to get new plugs for the car, start the car, run it up to temp, get it running right and bring it to Cars and Coffee on Sunday. So yeah, let's get this all in. Time for all this to go bye-bye with all of this stuff and all this new gear to be in here. Now that's all connected up. I have all the wires connected, all the fuel line done, all tightened up, all ready to go. So I'm going to just clip off these cable ties I used, give this a wipe, hook up the battery and give it a start. Now I'm just going to prime it a few times to make sure that everything is tight and no leaks. Okay, no leaks up here. Let's check the front. Nice, no leaks. Let's go for a startup. Happy days. Let's check the engine, mate. No leaks, no smells, no puddles. Success. So here's all the old stuff. It does look a bit manky, but look at this. That could have been kind of a reason why it was running a bit rough. Always change our fuel filter. So happy out, the car's running. I'm gonna let it warm up, give it a rev, make sure it's not all spluttery, just clean up all this mess, put all my tools away, and then we're gonna get the dizzy and plugs changed. Also, another thing I did notice, it's quiet. You can't hear that fuel pump. The other one was so loud. I took all the wiring out and redone it, and all of the lume tape, I got petrol on it and it turns into absolute mush. This is all sticky and it's gonna be a nightmare to get off, so I'm gonna go in and have 3 showers to get this stuff off me. But yeah, she's running. She's not warm yet. You can see my fuel gauge is working now. I changed a few wires and now it's working perfect, so it's showing I have over half a tank. Maybe I had a full tank, but by the time I got that fuel pipe onto the bottom of the new fuel pump, I probably lost half a tank, to a quarter of a tank. So that's why I had to wipe up the whole boot lid. But yeah, it's done nice and tidy. Just screw it in. I done lovely riv nuts and nice shiny hardware. See, it's very quiet. So I put a riv nut behind that. That's what's holding that on. Riv nut there, nice and tidy. This thing comes with a nice rubber bracket, so it stops it from vibrating. So yeah, happy out. So another thing I need to do, this air filter, no bueno, it's not good there. It's right at the gearbox and the manifold, so I'm going to have to sort getting a pipe maybe ran up under here, up to the front. So I'll have to jack the car up and get a pipe down here with the filter. But yeah, running nice. Next thing is take this off, change the cap and the rotor, and new plugs. Right, it's getting dark out, but we still have this issue of the hesitation. Like it's running on 3 cylinders when you rev it. So I still have to change the dizzy. It's just getting too late. I was changing around pipes and stuff, making sure that something works better. I know there was a pipe that wasn't blocked, so that was causing a vacuum issue. So hopefully the brakes are a bit better with that now. They feel a lot better. Yeah, we're gonna move on. We'll come back to it another day. We'll leave it now. Next video we will get that distributor changed and we'll bring the car in a spin, see if it makes a difference. So yeah, it's late, I'm dirty, I'm tired, and I'm in college tomorrow, so back to welding. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for updates on everything that we're doing. So peace out, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to be dedicated. Peace out.
When the final boss, you don't have a hope. Who's the best is me? Who's special for the breakfast? Me. Who's that young next with a message? Me. Check a text is me. Fuck it, okay, you can get this. Load of gangsters I don't yet to see. You suggest to you that you let it be. Posted up with the back in your head where the rent is. Flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you're written to write them off. Flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you're written to write them off. don't wanna see that happen. See me snapping, watch a boy freeze, you can see he lagging. You be in your fields when you see me. You be in your fields when you see me walk. When you see me strutting the place like I own that kid. But the final boss, not saw coming close, couldn't clone that shit. I'm a go, oh, quote that shit. I be on the flow when I tote that shit. Catch this smoke when I toss this roach. Not hope in the wall, could you smoke that shit? Gonna hold that L, toe tag tip. I be on the move like a nomad is. You be out looking for a cosign that you're never gonna get with your broke ass shit. And I flex on them with the best on them. My breast talking car, boy, ain't into that. You can go and keep your talk to yourself. Fucking bell, you the best in Nolan, bro. You're looking at them, go and get yourself some help. Cause fucking hell, you ain't coming close. Get your stuff and go when the final boss. You don't have a